If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another video. So I'm going to show y'all how to do this bronzy, glowy makeup look. Okay, I'm feeling it. Okay, the concealer was a little too light. That was my first time using that concealer. So I feel like it's good for like a highlight, maybe a nose highlight or under eye highlight. But I should have mixed it with fawn. I didn't know it was that light. Because the bottle, it looks like it would be my color. Maybe it would be like my color, like maybe it can be a concealer like during the winter time, but I made it work, as you guys could see. Okay, but yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. satin finish concealer in the color medium beige to prime my lids. I'm just going to use the brush just to blend out the edges and make sure everything looks nice and blend it out. And I'm going to be using the Morphe E22 brush and the Juvia Places palette, and I'm going to go in with that shade right there as my transition color. So we gonna dab in the eyeshadow. I'm gonna dab it in. I'm gonna press it in, dab it in. I'm not gonna do the window swiping motions yet. I'm just really, I want it really to, you know, get in my crease and blend in like butter. What's butter? Butter, blend in like butter. So just dab it in your crease. And let's get into this cute bonnet. It's from Pure Minx. I'm gonna put the Instagram right there, so go get you a bonnet. She has different styles, different colors, different brands. She also sells lashes. Her lashes are bomb. And she sells hair scarves, and she sells fur slides. So go check out her Instagram. Black owned business. Go support, you know, your black queens, your black kings. Go support them. I'm gonna be going in that dark brown shade in the Juvia Places palette, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe E17 brush. And we still pressing that, we still dabbing that eyeshadow in our crease. So we gonna dab it. Now I'm going to be going back in the E22 brush just to blend out that dark brown so everything comes together and looks blended out. So now I'm going to be going in that gold. I feel like it's perfect and bronzy. So now I'm using the E17 brush, the one that I use for the dark brown, just to blend everything out. Now I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty body glitter. So it's like the it looks like the same color as Trophy Wave. I'm just putting that because like I'm going for bronzy. Ain't that bomb and gorgeous and beautiful? Like, and it looks so bomb on your body too. But I'm just adding it on my lids just to be extra, honestly, just to be extra. Like I'm just being extra and just giving my eyes a little glowy look. And y'all know what time it is, eyeliner time. Y'all know I can't go without the liner, so I'm using my favorite liner, of course, the NYX Liquid Matte Liner. And also with the e.l.f. Concealer, a little goes a long way. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this was my first time using this concealer, and now I know that like a little goes a long way. Like I had way too much of concealer. I didn't need that much. I just needed a little bit, and it would have went a long way. What I can say though, this concealer is bomb, sis. It's bomb. Sorry, I was too loud. I'm sorry if I hurt your ears, but it's bomb.